Hello friends, welcome to Reda Network Agency Private Limited. It comes with the best plan of this era. If you want great income, watch this video till the end. Today we are going to talk about a great plan that can fulfill your dreams. First of all, let's know about the company. Company name is Network Agency Private Limited. Friends, let's know how to become a direct seller with Reda Business Opportunity. Anyone willing to become a direct seller and who agrees to the terms and conditions of the direct seller agreement can become a direct seller by getting introduced by an existing direct seller. There are no subscriptions, charges, fees, or any kind of investment to become a direct seller with us. The business opportunity is completely free. Friends, let's know about our income plan. After joining, here we get incomes from two sources. From first sale, we will get 7 wonder incomes. From repurchase, we will get 5-star incomes. First of all, we will talk about our 7 wonder incomes. Here our first income will be Reda Direct Sale Income. This income is provided to you for achieving direct sales. The direct sale income for each sale of 15 OOPV will be 106 rupees on each direct sale you make. This income will be calculated daily and will be paid out weekly. Our next income is Reda Group Sales Income. This income is provided to you for growing your sales volume by growing your sales team and helping the direct sellers perform on both of your business organizations. To be eligible for this income, you must create sale of 1500 PV on one BO and 30 OOPV on the other BO. Upon being eligible for Reda Group Sales Income, 200 rupees will be paid to you. The maximum income which can be earned in a day as a Reda Group Sales Income is 10,000 rupees for all the direct sellers. Our next income is Reda Group Sales Income Illustration. If we assume BO1 achieves total get 150 OOPV and BO2 achieves 20,000 get PV simultaneously in a day, 15,000 PV will be considered balanced and will be counted for this income. So you will get 2,000 income as Reda Group Sales Income. And other 50 OOPV will be carry forwarded for the next day. Our next income is Reda Leadership Income. From first level, we will earn 8% as group sale income. From second level, 6% income. From third level, 4% income. From fourth level, 3% income. From fifth to seventh level, 2% income. From 8th to 10th level, we will earn 1% income. Our next income is Reda Director Share Income. Friends, company will reserve 1 OOPV from the sale of every 1500 PV and allocate this for director share income. This reserve fund will be distributed in equal proportion to all eligible distributors. This income will be distributed 4 times in a financial year. This income will be based on the direct sales done by you. Let's see how we will earn this income. When you do direct sales 6 OOPV by 40 different distributors, you will be eligible for next 4 quarterly payout cycles. Like this. When you do direct sales for 5 OOPV by 30 different distributors, you will be eligible for next 8 quarterly payout cycles. When you do direct sales 3 OOPV by 20 different distributors, you will be eligible for next 12 quarterly payout cycles. When you do direct sale of 15 OOPV by 10 different distributors, you will be permanently eligible for quarterly payout cycles. Our next income is Reda Cash Rewards. This is a special bonus provided to you by the company. The eligibility criteria for this income will be minimum 2 sales from your own distributor ID 1 in each of your business organizations. Benefits to be provided as cash reward will be decided by the company on time-to-time basis and shall be announced on the company's official website. Our next income is Reda Gift Rewards. As like cash rewards, these rewards are additional to the incomes mentioned here in the Business Opportunity Income Plan. The eligibility criteria for this income will be minimum 2 sales from your own distributor ID 1 in each of your business organizations. This reward will be decided by the company on time-to-time basis and shall be announced on the company's official website. Our next income is Reda Tour Rewards. As like others, these criteria and benefits will change from time to time, as per the sales targets of the company. Eligibility criteria for this income is 1 sale in BO1 and 1 sale in BO2. Tour reward will be decided by the company on time-to-time basis and shall be announced on the company's official website. Now friends, we will talk about our 5-star incomes. Here we first get Reda Group Bonus. Friends, company will distribute 30% of monthly RPV as Reda Group bonus. Reda Group points will be allocated to you based on your balanced RPV on both business organizations simultaneously. 1 RGP is equal to 8 simultaneously balanced RPV calculated with the multiples of 8 eligibility criteria for this bonus. Active distributor has to make one sale in that month by own distributor ID and must have at least 1 RGP. Active distributors must have a rank of good job and above. RGP value will be calculated as shown on the chart. Our next income is Reda Travel Fund Bonus. Company will distribute 20% of monthly RPV as travel fund bonus. RTFP will be allocated to you based on your balanced RPV on both business organizations simultaneously. 1 RTAP is equal to 100 simultaneously balanced RPV calculated with the multiples of 100. Eligibility criteria for this bonus. Active distributor must have at least 1 RTAP and sales of 50 RPV in that month by own distributor ID. Active distributor must have a rank of trainee and above. RTAP value will be calculated as shown on the chart. Like this, in Reda Car Fund Bonus. Company will distribute 10% of monthly RPV as Reda Car Fund Bonus. 1 RCFP is equal to 300 simultaneously balanced RPV calculated with the multiples of 300. Active distributor must have at least 1 RCFP and sales of 150 RPV in that month by own distributor ID. Active distributor must have a rank of leader and above. Our next income is Reda Villa Fund Bonus. Company will distribute 10% of monthly RPV as Villa Fund Bonus. 1 RVFP is equal to 500 simultaneously balanced RPV calculated with the multiples of 500. Active distributor must have at least 1 RVFP and sales of 250 RPV in that month by own distributor ID. Active distributor must have a rank of Bronze Master and above. Our next income is Reda Luxury Bonus. Company will distribute 10% of monthly RPV as Reda Luxury Bonus. 1 RLP is equal to 1000 simultaneously balanced RPV calculated with the multiples of 1000. Active distributor must have at least 1 RLP and sales of 500 RPV in that month by own distributor ID. Active distributor must have a rank of Platinum Master and above. Now friends, we will talk about ranks. Rank can be thought of as designations that a direct seller holds in the company's network of direct sellers. The criteria for ranks includes your direct sales as well as the sales by direct sellers in your business organizations. These ranks are based on the balanced PV. Now we will talk about Reda Cash Rewards, Gift Rewards and Tour Rewards. When your rank comes to good job, you will get Certificate of Achievement and Honor, 1 medal, and stainless steel water bottle. Like this, when you become junior trainee, you will get Certificate of Achievement and Honor, medal, luggage bag, and wellness AM and PM worth of 1500 rupees. When you become trainer, you will get Certificate of Achievement and Honor, medal, company brochure, sari, and wellness 2 products worth of 3000 rupees. When you become junior leader, you will get Certificate of Achievement and Honor, medal, company brochure, LOP with business lunch sari and suit length, and wellness 4 products worth of 6000 rupees. When you become leader, you will get Certificate of Achievement and Honor, memento, felicitation, company brochure, lock with business lunch, gift worth of 3000 rupees, and wellness 8 products worth of 12,000 rupees. When you become master, you will get Certificate of Achievement and Honor, felicitation, memento, company brochure, lock with business lunch, gift voucher or cash 5,000 rupees, and wellness 12 products worth of 18,000 rupees. When you become Bronze Master, you will get Certificate of Achievement and Honor, felicitation, memento, company brochure, felicitation, cash reward 30,000 rupees, mobile gift worth of 10,000 rupees, and Ramoji Film City tour for couples. Like this, when you become Silver Master, you will get Certificate of Achievement and Honor, felicitation, memento, company brochure, felicitation, cash reward 75,000 rupees, laptop worth of 30,000 rupees, and Kerala tour. When you become Gold Master, you will get Certificate of Achievement and Honor, trophy, felicitation, cash reward 100,000 rupees, ladies bike, and Malaysia tour. When you become Platinum Master, you will get Certificate of Achievement and Honor, trophy, felicitation, cash reward 125,000 rupees, Royal Enfield bike worth of 125,000 rupees, and Bangkok tour. When you become Diamond Master, you will get Certificate of Achievement and Honor, Trophy, Felicitation, Cash Reward 500,000 rupees, Diamond Necklace worth of 200,000 rupees, and Bangkok tour. When you become King, you will get Certificate of Achievement and Honor, Trophy, Felicitation, Couple Gold Wedding Rings worth of 100,000 rupees, Cash Reward 1 million rupees, Creta car, and Singapore tour. When you become Royal King, you will get Certificate of Achievement and Honor, Trophy, Felicitation, Cash Reward 40 lakh, 1 acre land for villa, and America tour. When you become Double Royal King, you will get Certificate of Achievement and Honor, Trophy, Felicitation, documentary on Double Royal King, luxury villa, South Africa safari tour, and cash 1 crore. When you become Universal Royal King, you will get Certificate of Achievement and Honor, Trophy, Felicitation, documentary on Universal Royal King, couple world tour, and cash reward 4 crore. Friends, this plan can change your life, and you will achieve all your dreams. For more detail, contact our helpline number. Friends, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.